Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my current event. Today, I'm doing on Donald Trump is delivering F-52s in Norway. The only problem is they don't exist in real life. Yeah, that's right. Only exist in Call of Duty. That's my game. So, it says that Donald Trump, our president, was having a relationship talk with Europe and the Prime Minister of Norway. And it shows up a lot of signs that the United States was going to ship fighter jets to Norway. And it seems that the F-52s are not real. They thought it was just like a thing to scare the Russians because we're bad friends with them, I guess. Actually, I know that we're bad friends with them. With Vladimir Putin much. And, so, he must have mistook the number of planes they're sending over there, which is 52, and the F designation on the jet's the name of the jet. So, it says Lockheed Martin, the defense company that makes the jets, said the Norwegian government has authorized the funding of 40 of the F-35s, and they've only delivered 10 so far. Sorry for my mistake there. The company has not responded if F-52 program isn't developed yet. Well, why would they? The plane that F-52 came from Call of Duty, and it's still unknown if Trump was a big fan of the Call of Duty. And the developer of Call of Duty, Sledgehammer Games, did not ask for comments on the matter. So, this brings me to my source, MSN, and this shows that how these are the F-53s, F-42, 32s, and, oh, yeah, and this shows that it says the Albatross, not Albatross, it says the program will cost $1 trillion in its almost 6-year lifespan of it for the things. It says the jet is multi-purpose, so it's like can do many things. It can drop troops off, like send them out the air. It can do surveillance. It can do surveillance. And yeah, it does a lot of things. And so I'm running out of time here. So see you in my next current event. Bye.